So I've just been planting out some of my courgettes, pumpkins, and I thought I'd show you a bit of technique that I've sort of tried to do this year, which is because they don't like a lot of root disturbance. All the sort of pumpkins and squashes, melons don't like root disturbance. All the cucurbits, that's the family, don't like root disturbance. So I've tried putting these pots in the ground, building up a mound around it, so it leaves me a bit of a mould. If you take it out, then I can just drop the plant in when it's ready to plant. So I've done one there. That's a courgette. The shed got in the way there. That's a courgette there, and it's on a mound. So put it on a mound because the stem, they don't like the stem sitting wet, because that's one thing that can really finish them off, is that the stem is very soft and it rots, particularly in cold weather in like England. So I've put it on a mound, so hopefully what will happen is the water will run away from the stem. And there's one of the pumpkins. So that's a Japanese pumpkin called uchikikuri. I'll put it up on the video. I'll try and put it up on the video so you can see what it's spelled like. And I'll show you some stills of how I make the mound and what I put in to prepare it, because the hungry feeders are big plants, big fruits, so they need a lot of nutrients and they need a lot of water, and I'll show you how to kind of try and help that process. If we go into the greenhouse, I've got cucumber there at the back. So the very back one there, that's the cucumber. That's the first melon I planted, which I've just tried first. The other two are sitting in place, ready to go. I just wanted to try the technique on this melon first, just to make sure nothing went wrong with it and it didn't suffer from transplant shock and root disturbance, which melons are really known for. But it seems to be alright. The fingers crossed, the yellow stuff there is yellow sulphur, which I've just put around the bottom of the plant. It's an old tip that I got to try and keep off any fungus, because again these are really susceptible to the stem rotting. And so I've done the same here. I've just got the plants in position, so hopefully I can just lift it out and show you. So I've got the hole there, so I'll take that pot out when it's ready to go. It'll leave me a mould and I'll just drop that in. I'm just getting used to being in position, but to be honest I want to go in really. The weather's warm enough. It's warm enough on a night, which is the big thing. Temperatures start dropping on a night, so this should be fine.